Okay, today we're making cabbage soup. This recipe is quick and easy. It's regular green cabbage. We're going to wash it, chop it up into small strips, put it in a pot. Then we're going to throw in some sweet onion and some minced garlic. As far as the amount of onion or garlic you want, that's to your personal taste. You can add other vegetables, obviously, if you'd like to. I'm just trying to keep this quick and easy and simple for you. And we'll also add a little bit of fresh ground black pepper to the pot. Now we're going to go ahead and cut up this onion. I'm pretty much going to put the entire onion into the pot and chop it up first, obviously. And if you don't like onion, you don't have to use onion, obviously. And I got this minced garlic that comes in a jar. It's pretty handy. Put about 2 big spoonfuls in. And put a box of vegetable broth in there. You could also use vegetable bouillon cubes, some fresh ground black pepper. And go fill it up at the sink with water just until the vegetables are covered with water, like so. Then we'll put it on the stove top and bring it to a boil and then turn it down to simmer for about 30 minutes. And you can see we're also going to serve this over a bed of rice. Woo! You can see that the cabbage is soft and light green now. That's kind of how you know when it's done. But you can simmer this till it's to your desired level of doneness. It's a great, healthy, quick, easy recipe. I hope this information helps you. And there's what it looks like. My girls also like to sprinkle a little bit of low sodium soy sauce in their soup, so there's another idea for you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.